Today we are privileged to have with us our distinguished professor, Professor R.K. Shyamasundar from IIT Bombay. He is a fellow of IEEE, a fellow of ACM, a distinguished ACM speaker, and a distinguished alumnus of the Indian Institute of Science. He is currently J. Bose National Fellow, distinguished professor at the Department of Computer Science, IIT Bombay. He directs the Information Security Research and Development Center from MIT. He was also awarded the 2014 S.N. Mitra Award for Excellence in Research by the Indian National Academy of Engineering. We welcome you, sir. We request you to deliver the address.
Should I say here?
Here it will be.
Yeah. Okay. Good morning. So, Dr. Rajendra Kumar, Dr. Sudarshan, Mr. Banati, and distinguished keynote speakers and participants, it's a pleasure to be here on the second Public Infrastructure and Application Conference. As you know that this is one of the most critical tools people have or organizations have to see how they can secure it, because the applications are growing in terms of either cloud, IoT, in fact, the blockchain applications. Identity is one of the major things, like a sovereign identity, that has come into the picture in the context of security and privacy, and how blockchain supports privacy and all that kind of a thing or the other. But it also inherits some complexity due to X.509. So that is something that one cannot avoid, because it has come long back, kind of a thing or the other. So one of the main challenges has been deploying maintenance, including like revocation, has always been a challenge. So I think this deliberation, I would imagine, they would also provide a clear articulation of the security benefits of deploying a PKI should become clear to all the people, because many times people don't know what is the thing that should be done. And now the question is that how do they support new applications? And what happens to the legacy applications? And what are the problems of the scaling challenge, and a clarity on the investment of the resources, ownership, skills, etc. All this becomes a very important thing. As I'm also editor-in-chief of the Sadhana for the Computing and the Data Sciences from the Indian Academy of Sciences, I request, I think, Dr. Sudarshan to explore the possibility of writing a state-of-the-report on the PKI and its application experiences across the country, and also try to highlight what is the way to go forward, and that would be a good thing to come in an Indian journal, particularly for an Indian Academy. With all that, I wish all the participants a very successful deliberation. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Definitely, we will be delighted to author such paper into the journal publications. Thank you.